Number of vertices of odd degree in a graph is always even. To prove this statement, we have to know first what is graph and what is degree of vertices. So consider this is example for graph. What is definition of graph is graph consists vertex set and edge set. What is vertex set? Vertex here this is an example for graph. Here v1, v2, v3, v4, these are vertex. V4, v5, this is also vertex. These points we can call it as vertex. And edge set, what is edge here? Here e1, this is an edge, and e2, this is edge, and e3, this is edge, this is edge. So this type we can call it as edge. Such that they said that definition says that a graph G of vertex and edge consists vertex set and edge set such that each edge, each EK is identified with an unordered pair of vertices. That means each edge in the graph that identified with an unordered pair of vertices. So here E3 is here. How it is identified? E3 is identified with V1 and V2. It joins V1 and V2. We can also call it as V3 is identified with V2, V1. It joins V2 to V1, or we can call it as V1 to V2. So that we can call it as unordered pair. Not only it joins V1 to V2, it also joins V2 to V1. So we can call it as unordered pair. To become a graph, each edge is lie in between any two vertices. Now can we call this as graph? Here one vertex is there and one edge is there. There is no other vertex. This is not a graph. Why? Because each edge EK is identified with an unordered pair of vertices. Here only one vertex is there, no any other vertexes. To become this graph, we can make it as this is not a graph. To make it graph, this we can call it as graph. Why? Because here E1 edge is identified with V1 and V1. It connects V1 to V1 twice incident. So this we can call it as graph. We can also call any point in surface. This also we can call it as graph. Here no vertex, here no edge set, here there is no edge but only vertex. This type of graph we can call it as null graph. So by this we can understood how we can identify a graph and which is not a graph. Now what is incidence of vertex, degree of vertex? Here also they said degree in a graph. What is degree of vertex? Here V1 is there. What is degree of V1 here? We can denote degree of any vertex in this notation. Degree of V1. How many edges are incident to that vertex? It is called degree of that vertex. D of V1 is 1, 2, 3. Similarly, degree of V2. What is degree of V2? 1, 2, and edge E1 is incidence twice here. So it is 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Similarly, what is degree of V3? Degree of V3 is 1, 2, 3. And degree of V4 1, 2, 3. And what is degree of V5? Degree of V5, that is equal to 1. Only one edge is incident here. So degree of V1 is 1. Now the theorem says that the number of vertices of odd degree in a graph is always even. We have to prove this. Here this is number of even degree. So even number, this is even degree. and this is number of odd degrees 1 2 3 4. Here 4 odd degree vertices are there. It is even number. We have to prove that for all graph. So let us consider any graph G with E edges. Here I take that number of edges E of n vertices. There are n vertices v1 v2 up to vn. Since each edge contributes 2 degrees, the sum of the degrees of all vertices in G is twice the number of edges. What is the meaning of this? Now we can know that each edge contributes 2 degrees. This is very important. In a graph, each edge contributes 2 degrees. For example, E3, this is an edge. It contributes 1 degree to this and 1 degree to this. Similarly, E1, it contributes 1 degree, it contributes 2 degrees for V2, and E2, it contributes 1 degree and 1 degree. So what is sum of all degrees? Here this is degree of V1 plus degree of V2 plus degree of V3 plus degree of V4 plus degree of V5. This is the sum of degrees of all vertices in G. This indicates that sum of degrees of all vertices in graph G. What is equal to? Here V1 is 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. What is the sum of these degrees? 4 plus 3 7. This is 10. 10 plus 3 13 plus 1 14. Here the sum of the degrees of vertices in graph G is this one. And what is it is? It is twice the number of edges. How many edges are here? 1, E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7. Here 7 edges are there. Here 7 edges are there. So twice the number of edges, sum of all degrees. We have to prove this term for general. That is, this is summation of degree of Vi, I is equal to 1 to n. This says that degree of V1 plus degree of V2 plus degree of V3 up to degree of Vn. For simply we denote this as this. It is twice the number of edges. Why? Because each edge contributes 2 degrees for a graph. So we can write this one as 2 into E in general. Now sum of degree of each vertex is either it is even number or it is odd number. Here we can see that this is odd and this is even. It may be even or it may be odd. We can write this one as sum of even degrees plus sum of odd degrees. Here we can see that this is sum. If we write here d1 plus d3 plus d4 plus d5, it is summation of odd degrees. And if we write d of v2, degree of v2, it is summation of even degrees. So we can write the sum of degrees of all vertices in graph G, that is sum of all even degree vertices in G plus sum of all odd degree vertices in graph G. Here sum of all even degree, if we add even number to even number, we get even number. Why? Because if we 2 plus 2, it is 4, it is also even number. Or 6 plus 6, it is 12, it is also even number. Similarly, if we add even number to even number, we get even number. So sum of even degree edges vertexes are always even number. Always even number. This is always even. Now we know that this is 2 into e, twice the number of edges. That means this is also even. So to get a even answer, what number we should add to even number? Here even number is there. We have to get even number. Here even number is there. What number we have to add? If here 6 we have to get 2. If we add 3, can we get 6? We can't get even number when we add even number to odd number. So we must add even number here. If we add even number to even number, we get even number. So that this term also we get even number. So sum of all odd degree vertices in graph G, we get even number. Now we know that each d of vk is odd. That means here each this we can take as odd degree vertices. That means each degree of vk is odd number. If we add odd plus odd, what we get? Odd number plus odd number, we get even number. If we add again odd to this, even plus odd, what we get? Odd number. Again we add if even number, we get even number, and similarly it goes on. So if we add odd numbers in even times, we get even number. So the number of vertices of odd degree in a graph always even. To become this number is even, we have always even number of odd degree vertices. Here also, in this example also, we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4 odd degree vertices are there. This is even number 1, 2, 3, 4, even number of odd degree vertices. So always for all graph, the number of vertices of odd degree in a graph is always even. Hence the proof. So the number of vertices of odd degree in a graph is always even.